how to find biomes in Minecraft. So this will work both for Java and Bedrock. So first, what you need is to simply make sure that you have your cheats enabled. So if you're on survival, what you need to do is just simply click on escape, click on open to land, make sure that allow command is turned on, then just simply click on start land world. Now once that's done, what you want to do is just open up your commands, and to do that, just simply click on letter T on your keyboard to open this up, then type in slash locate biome. After you typed in that, you will see a list of biomes that you could TP to. So basically all the biomes in Minecraft. So let's say I want to teleport to a shipwreck, just simply type it in or click here on the list. Then the shipwreck will instantly pop up right there. And what you want to do now is just simply click on enter. So click on enter. As you can see, it will say where the nearest shipwreck is. And if you could either click on the green text or just simply type it in like dot slash TP, then your username or the player that you want to TP, then the coordinates. So I just click on it, that's why it instantly came there. So I'm just delete it. When I click on the text, it will just instantly copy it right there. But you can also type it in if you want. Once that's done, just simply click on enter. And as you can see, I was TP'd to that place. So the shipwreck should be right here at the bottom. So I'm just gonna find the shipwreck right here. If it's not right there, maybe it's on another place right here, but basically this was where the shipwreck is. So I'm just gonna teleport again. Just need to find where the shipwreck is. As you can see, I've found a shipwreck. It is right here. So since the biome that we teleported was the ocean, so as you can see, it says Minecraft Ocean, and the nearest one has a shipwreck right there. So we teleported to the ocean biome that has a shipwreck, and when you just need to export a little to see the shipwreck right here. And as you can see, there's a shipwreck. Same goes with other locations. Let's say you went to the, so I'm just gonna search right here, locate biome. Let's say this, the ancient city. If you click on that, click on enter, and this will say this on the deep dark, and just simply click on it. You'll be basically teleported to the ground where you will need to find the ancient city. As I basically find biomes in Minecraft.